Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Betterment account security and account access controls, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure your Betterment account security and account access controls, start by logging into your Betterment account. Enter your email address and password to access your dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to open the account settings menu. Locate the Security or Account Security section in the Settings menu. Here, you will find options for enhancing your account security. Begin by enabling two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA. Choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, such as via text message or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup for two-factor authentication. After enabling 2FA, review your password settings. Consider changing your password to a strong and unique one if you haven't done so recently. Make sure your new password includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, check if your email is verified. If it's not, look for the option to send a verification email, and follow the instructions in that email. Return to the Account Settings menu and explore other security options, such as session timeouts. Set appropriate session timeout preferences to enhance your account's security. You may also find options for account access controls. Adjust these settings according to your comfort level with sharing your account information. To review any authorized apps or devices linked to your Betterment account, look for the Linked Devices or Authorized Apps section. Remove any unfamiliar or untrusted devices from this list to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, ensure your recovery options are up to date. Add or update your recovery email and phone number to assist with account recovery if needed. Once all changes are made, review your security settings one last time. After completing these steps, your Betterment account security and access controls will be configured for enhanced protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.